Best crypto to buy now 11 July, Mina protocol, compound Solana. Major cryptocurrencies are trading with a modestly positive bias on Tuesday, but are still mostly within recent ranges ahead of Wednesday's key U.S. inflation data. Bitcoin BTC was last trading up around 1% in the last 24 hours in the $30,600 area, while Ether ETH was last around $1,870. Positive reporting in the crypto press regarding BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund ETF application could be acting as a mild tailwind for sentiment. Reports allege that BlackRock's application goes beyond the surveillance of spot trading to also include an agreement to share exchange user data with regulators, should they so request it. This could further boost the likelihood that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) approves the Wall Street Giants ETF application. For crypto investors keen to diversify their holdings away from blue-chip names like Bitcoin and Ether, here are some of the best coins to consider buying on Tuesday. Mina protocol. Mina, the native token that powers the ZK Snarks-powered Mina protocol blockchain, continues to trend to the downside within the confines of a bearish trend channel that has been in place since February. Mina/USD was last in the $0.45s, reversing back under its 21 and 50-day moving averages after probing multi-week highs in the 52 cents area earlier in the session. Whilst Mina technical outlook remains bearish, if the cryptocurrency is able to break out of its bearish trendline, it could see substantial medium-term gains, hence why it could be a good crypto to buy. Delance. An innovative new Web3 project called Delance is building a crypto and NFT-powered metaverse that, in an industry first, puts the jobs market on the blockchain. The project, which is touted as one of 2023's hottest crypto startups, is building a metaverse to unite freelancers and employers and promises to overhaul remote working forever, as well as the $761 billion recruitment sector. Using the decentralization and transparency of the blockchain, Delance wants to remove overly powerful middlemen like Fiverr and Upwork that have been abusing freelance workers and employers alike for the last decade. Delance is already generating huge hype in Web3 circles, and some observers think could upend the still very Web2 platform-centric freelance/gig work economy. The project has already raised a whopping near $1.5 million in just a few months since the launch of its Delance token presale. Delance also recently secured a huge $1.12 million strategic investment from top venture capital firm Bidget Ventures, a sign that institutions are increasingly taking note of the project's potential. Investors are encouraged to move quickly to secure tokens, as when the presale hits $1.7 million, the price will rise from its current super cheap 38 cents level. Given that Delance will debut on major cryptocurrency exchanges later this year at 57 cents, investors who get in now can be sat on gains of around 50%. Adding to the excitement is a massive $500,000 Delance token giveaway competition that Delance is conducting. The top 5 wallets that buy the most Delance between now and the end of presale stage 4 will be rewarded with a share of $500,000 worth of Delance tokens. Delance can be bought using ETH, BNB, and the ERC20 and BP20 variants. Buy Delance here. Compound Comp, the token that powers the Compound Finance decentralized finance DeFi lending/borrowing protocol, is pumping again on Tuesday. Comp was last up close to 10% on the session, above $65 per token, as the bulls eye a retest of yearly highs above $70. A break above this key resistance zone would open the door to a swift rally towards the next major resistance zone at $93, meaning near-term gains in the region of 40% are highly possible. Wall Street Memes. WSM. Wall Street Memes, one of the internet's hottest retail investing communities, rose to prominence in the meme stock craze of 2021 and has recently been expanding its relevance in the cryptocurrency space with the presale of its new $WSM token. The success of the $WSM presale, which has raised more than $14 million in just over 1 month, isn't surprising given the size of Wall Street Memes community. Not only are there 523 hyper-engaged community members on its Wallspits Instagram account, there are another 214 on Twitter and more than 100 across its 2 other Instagram channels, Wallskinwild and Wallspulsif. All told, Wall Street Memes has a 1 million-strong social community of degens, which analysts think all but guarantees that the $WSM token will be listed on Tier 1 crypto exchanges like Binance. With 30% of the token's supply being held back for community rewards, it can reasonably be expected that airdrops to holders will be a big part of the ecosystem. Indeed, the first $WSM airdrop is open now. Analysts are already predicting big things for Wall Street Memes when it lists on exchanges, and you can be a part of it. Visit Wall Street Memes here. Solana SOL. With Solana having recovered back to over 66% versus its post-SEC FUD lows around $13 per token to the $22 region, things are looking technically bullish for the cryptocurrency. Sol, which powers the high-performance smart contract-enabled Solana Layer 1 blockchain, recently broke to the north of a long-term downtrend. Bulls are now targeting a test of key long-term resistance levels around $26.27, $39, and $48. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.